Hi guys, welcome to Code Liberia. On this channel, we will be offering computer science and computer related courses tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be introducing one of our full course coming up soon, a Java programming language full course. So if you're just getting started with us, click down the notifications button and click the subscription button to get notified whenever we post new videos. Another unique part about this course is that even if you don't have our programming knowledge and you just beginning your programming career, specifically even if you have been programming before and you want to improve your skills, this course is fully across the board. And some other courses coming up, this course is specifically across the board. We teach everything from start to end, and there's a lot of projects attached to this course. So we teach you everything from start to end and all of the details and how to go about doing them. So this is just the outline of this course, how the course will be arranged, because it's a very big course and there are a lot of projects. Almost we have about 24 projects in this course to do. So just give you the outline of how it is arranged. Okay. This is our email. You can also contact our email just in case of some project we will do in this course. If you want the source code, or maybe you made some script, you want the source code of those projects, we can provide you. This is our Facebook group, same with our channel name, Code Liberia. You can contact our Facebook group, join our Facebook group rather, and wherein we share ideas. We also share some content, some tutorial content within our Facebook group, so you can join our Facebook group. Okay guys, let's move into our new course. Alright, now one of the most important thing about this course is that everyone that comes across the course, we want them to achieve something. So the questions might raise up, what are my achievements in taking this course? Java is a very essential programming language, and everyone wants to learn Java because it's easy to handle, it's easy to deal with. According to most people, the relationship of Java is very easy as compared to other programming language. So you might want to know your achievement within this course. So taking this course honor us. You understand the concept around Java programming language and its platforms. You also understand the concept of object-oriented programming language and its relation. Everything in details we will teach you. Then basically there are two kinds of platforms that usually programmers use in Java. You got the command line platform, the command line applications, and you got the server-based applications platform. So in most cases, people usually go after these things. So we will bring these things to you, the command line, the server-based applications, and there are a lot of projects attached to this platform we will do, and you will know how to work. You will understand the concept around these platforms. So this is just the achievement of this course. Another part about it is that in this course we also have project, lot of project. So if you are ready, we need to learn a lot of things within Java programming language, then get ready for this course. Just click the notifications button and click the subscription button to get notified whenever we post new videos. In this course, the first 1 month of this course, we got a lot of projects, and these are the projects. We will build an online bookstore. We also build a finished state machine, and we build a reservations ticket system, hotel management, online banking applications, card identification system. We got Wi-Fi tracker, simple game system, building calculator, and customer care service. This is just for the 1 month of this course. This course continues, so there are a lot of things coming up soon, and this is just this project for the 1 month course. And the unique part about it is that we teach these things according to steps. We're teaching these things according to steps. We show you how to do them and apply it. So based on all of these projects we have for you in this course, we also have a course guide wherein at week 1, what are the topics we will achieve within this course. So the first week of this course, which is week 1, these are the topics we are to cover. These are the topics we are to achieve, to understand. So if you're just beginning your Java career, or you have been programming in Java before and you want to improve your skills, we got everything for you here. You understand everything from the basics. So for week 1 of this course, we teach you the introductions to computer programming, elementary programming selections in Java, mathematical functions and character strings. We got loops and method, single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, object and classes. We got object thinking, inheritance and polymorphism. So all of these things is just for the first week of this course. Then week 2 of this course, what we are to achieve. Week 2 of this course, we have to cover all of these topics. We bring these things to you so you can understand the concept around Java programming language, so you can apply these things on your own. We don't just want to bring the project and display the project. At times, most people do the project, but they don't really understand what they are doing. They don't really understand. After a few times, people forget. So we bring this course fully across the board for everyone who wants to understand the path to Java programming language. So these are the topics we will cover for the second week of this course. We got exception handling, text input and output, abstract classes and interface. We got Java f of x, basic, event-driven program and animations, Java f of x UR control and multimedia, binary input and output, recursions, generics, list stack queues and priority queues, inheritance and polymorphism. Now, the third week of this course, which is the week 3 of this course, we also have some topics to cover. I know someone might say, oh, it's too much, Yes, but it's good that you understand everything we do within the Java programming language. So that's why we have check out the statistics, and we try to arrange all of these courses for you, all of these classes, and for this content specifically. Coming after this content and understanding most things or almost all of these things in the content, you can do the project all by yourself. Once you follow the course guideline and you can apply what we teach you in the content, the project won't be difficult for you. Most of the things you will be able to understand. Okay, so the third week of this course, these are the topics we are to cover. Set and maps. We got developing efficient algorithm, sorting, implementing stack list, queue and priority queues. We got binary tree or binary search tree. We got hash and AVL trees in Java, graph and application, weighted graph and applications, multi-threading and parallel programming. This is just for the third week of this course. So after finishing covering all of these topics, another thing is that while we are covering some of these topics, we will also be doing some of the project, so you can understand what we are doing as we move along. Okay, now we just want to give you a brief details of what Java actually is. In the next tutorial, we will introduce the history of Java, how Java started. So if you're just getting across this tutorial for your programming career, Java is the best programming language I can recommend anyone to learn, because it's very unique. Java can run anywhere, but most of the things concerning Java, we will explain it in our next tutorial. How Java began, the birth of Java, who discovered Java, all those things we will explain it in our next tutorial. And this is just the introductions and the outline of this course. So Java is everywhere. Java is a very important programming language. Java is also used in mobile application, desktop, GUI graphic user interface application. Java is used in web-based application enterprise. Java is used in scientific experiment or scientific application. Java is used for gaming. Java is used for big data like statistics and other things. Java is used for businesses. Java is used for distributed application and cloud-based application. These are just some of the things that Java is used for, So there are so many things that Java is used for. So these are just some, and that is why it's very essential to understand and to learn Java. If you understand the basis of Java and you understand it very well, you don't need to worry about other programming language, because Java is used in most cases, and we bring most of the content concerning Java to you here in this tutorial. Now, there are big three data. I refer to it as the big three used in Java mostly, and it involve networking, computer networking, or Java database programming, and Java server faces. So these big three at most cases is used in Java, and we are to introduce it in our programming in most of our tutorial and most of our project we will do. We will apply these things so you understand the concept around them and how to use it. Now, the next thing is there are types of applications done within Java. So there are two kinds of applications, like I told you, this the command line applications and the server-based application that is mostly used in Java. So in some of our tutorial, we will show you how to use the command line applications. We will apply them, we will do project with them. But what actually a command line applications is, CLI, commonly known as command line applications, is a program that you interact with entirely through your terminal and shell. They have no graphic or visual interface beyond what you see in your terminal after you run the program. So sometimes this is the pictures of the command line applications, but sometimes, like in the computer, like once you write your programs, like the result is in this black you got the result with a black screen. But some other people, like the result is also in the blue screen. It's a blue screen that come out, is like called shell or terminal, and it depends sometimes the operating system or which one of them, but most computers have the black and then they have the blue. So is the result always come in the shell for the command line applications. Then for the server-based applications, now what is a server-based application? Which is like most of the thing we'll be doing in this course is about server-based applications, like web-based. So a server-based application involves having data management and manipulations by server so that the client can only interact with the applications and database from a file, wherein the client can send information over the network and through the database using the server-based applications. Now, the server-based applications program interface API act as a middleware that exchanges client requests and user and server responses. So this is the example of the server-based applications. This is just the picture. Okay, we will apply all of these things. You don't need to worry. Now the next thing is there are so many kinds of platform of Java. That's where most programmers get confused because they don't know which one to go after. So we bring you the kinds of platform. Basically there are 4 kinds of platforms in the Java programming language, and these platforms we will use them here. We got the Java standard editions, we got the enterprise editions, we got the macro edition, and we got the rich client editions. So all of these things we will use it here. Now in this course, the course has already been arranged, and the compiler we are to use in this course we have already arranged all, but we will also show you how to download the compiler. Like we said, if you don't have programming knowledge, you're just beginning your programming career, probably there will be challenges wherein to download the compiler, those things that we had to use for this course. So we will also show you how to download it, but basically we will use like 3 kinds of compiler in this course, and out of the 3 kinds of compiler we will use one at most cases, which is the Eclipse RDE for enterprise and developers. We also got the IntelliJ compiler. We will also use it for the command line applications at some cases, but the Eclipse will be used. NetBeans, yes, you can use NetBeans, but our choice of using NetBeans will be very less. So I advise that you download the Eclipse compiler, but we will also show you how to download and install the Eclipse compiler. You don't need to worry in this course. Alright. All you need to do is to subscribe and stay along. Now, the importance of Java programming language. Now, Java is very important in the sense, like I said, Java is also used in car navigation system, cell phone, lottery terminal. You got parking system, personal computer, printing some stuff like a printing appliance, maybe some other electrical stuff, but generally like printers. Java is used in it, and like gaming machines and other things like gaming program, Java is also used. And you got health and medical equipment, medical care equipment like that. Java is used. We got set-top boxes. This thing, like precisely Java was developed for this, but we will introduce it in our next tutorial, how Java like was introduced for this thing, set-top boxes, and how it became very essential. Now we also use Java with smartphones, like mobile applications, and we use Java with web camera, just like I'm doing this screen to you. All these broadcasting, like Java is essentially used for the online, the programs that enable these things to work. Java is used. So Java is very, very important. Now, okay, lastly, this is the end of this tutorial, and this is our email. Like we said, if you have any challenges in this course, like you can email us, or any course under this channel, you can email us and join our Facebook group. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel. The next tutorial we introduce the breadth of Java and how everything around Java programming language begin. What are the fundamental bases of Java? So we bring these things to you step by step so you understand, and when we apply them within the program, when we're writing the code and we apply it, you can understand everything from start to end. Okay, thank you. Subscribe and stay tuned. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you.